we're about to do some Thanksgiving shopping. So let's get into it. Getting the kids together. Come on, Abby. Come on.
Come on, baby girl.
Hey, go. We were literally sitting there and we realized that Thanksgiving is next week. So we have to do some Thanksgiving shopping. So, oh, that's cute for dogs. Everyone in the world is at Walmart right now. So we are going to get everything that we need for Thanksgiving because we are cooking big meals. So yeah, we'll show y'all what we're getting. Oh, I done hit my mama. Sorry, Mom. I done ran into my mama, y'all. I can't drive and do this. I'm a bad vlogger. Are you alright? Don't sue me now. I ain't got no chance. Alright, we gotta get the big thing of eggs, not the little thing, the big thing. I hate that they do this because we can't see the eggs inside. So what we do, we opens it to see if the eggs is broke because we're not buying no broke eggs. Okay, y'all, they are all good. We good. We gonna move on to the next thing. Croissants, just because her house. Let me see what kind you got, Mom.
Sweet Hawaiian.
Ooh, sweet Hawaiian. I didn't know they made this. Why you never tell me? I be showing me your drink. Let me see. Ooh, that's yummy, right? Armani is sleeping.
But they sell it in sticks.
Only one stick. They don't make the case. Y'all, if they make cases of this and we don't know about it, let us know in the comments because my mama like this. Mom dropped one, so we gotta change that out. Lots of butter for Thanksgiving. Of course. Told me that these were good, so I'm going to try these out. They better be good. Get the big blocks.
So I can shred it myself because the other one had them wood chips.
Oh, okay. As y'all can see, drinks. As y'all can see, my mom is really doing all the picking up and shopping and stuff because I, as a grown adult, don't really know how to grocery shop. Like, I still call my mom when I go to the grocery store because I suck at grocery shopping. I never know what to get unless I know what meal I'm making. So, yeah. Get drinks from Publix, y'all. Because they got the best drinks. Even they off-brand drinks, like party drinks, is good. I've never really vlogged around like this in a store. And, like, I've been hitting stuff. And I driving like I don't got no license. So, y'all bear with me. This is my first in-store vlog. Kind of stuff for events, get from Dollar Store. But these are my mom's favorite. My mom is diabetic, so if you're like diabetic or something, these are really good juice. They taste really good. They're this kind, but in the zero sugar. I done lost my mama and the kids, y'all. I don't know where they at. Oh, I done see them. They on the other aisle. Child, I done went to go get juice and I done lost them. I said, ain't no way they done got this far. They on the other aisles. I was literally looking for y'all. Pop said, make sure you get her toys. I told him, Pops, I'm on a budget. You gonna allocate towards these toys? He said, yeah. He said, make sure you buy her toys. He wants you to call him back too. Somebody is woke? What? Let me see, buddy. You don't want to cut it. Let me see you, buddy. Uh-oh, somebody is woke. Mama like sliced ham. She don't like to cut it. Let me see. Ooh, yeah, they got a lot of hams. That's a pretty wrapping too. Or a huge one. I don't know what no huge one's at. Where is the Twinkies? Actually, I love the Twinkie. Give me the Twinkie, come on. What's the Twinkie? Paw Patrol. CC's Paw Patrol macaroni and cheese. You don't even eat macaroni, but okay, you want it? She wants this mac and cheese because it's Paw Patrol, so I'm gonna get it for her. But she doesn't even eat macaroni and cheese. I'll do something else with the noodles. Put it right here, bud. I'll make something else. Just using the noodles. Mom is thinking about getting a fried turkey this year, so we might get 2 turkeys. I never tasted fried turkey. I don't know if it's gonna be dry. I like moist turkey. My mama turkey be super moist. I don't do dry turkey, so hopefully it's not dry. I've never had fried turkey, but we gonna see. I don't know. We don't know. Jalapeno. Oh, they bland.
Just butter.
Yeah, this butter. She getting this one for the turkey. The fried sugar, that's a must. And sugar. We're gonna do Jello shots this year, so we're gonna get this. We're gonna get, they're easy, I know how to make them. We're gonna get these. Some white alcohol. Fluff will be good, because you can spread it over for the candy. We cannot find the banana pudding, y'all. Banana cream. Look at the kids. They being so calm today. He's getting hungry. I probably got 10 more minutes before he turn up this stuff. Strawberry. What else, baby? This is the routine in the store. When the baby gets hungry, give him some booby and call it a day. Got it?
Uh-oh.
Are so good. Like,
What are they?
I don't know. Like, it's, I can't pronounce this word.
Oh.
Picante.
Yeah.
Picante chicken is so good.
Well, I can't eat them.
Oh yeah, but y'all, I have these famous meatballs I make. My mom wants me to make.
Yes, baby. They're so good.
What is sauce at?
You got the sauce?
This is the sauce I use.
Okay.
But I'm gonna show y'all how I make my famous meatballs because my family fell in love with my meatballs.
Yes, baby.
We just found these sauces. Like I said, mom can't have no sugar, and we gonna try these. And they black owned, so we all for supporting black owned. So we gonna try these, and mama gonna see how it says. Mama, let me see your nail cam. Y'all, I'm still taking a mommy break from my nails. I've got probably a month until I can get my nails back, y'all.
And they asked you though, don't worry about that. Mind you.
I wanted her slime. She's seen slime, so I had to get her some slime. Ooh. Oh yeah, I love puff pastry. Y'all, so here's what we got right now. We gotta come back, y'all. Mom got somewhere to be. But yeah, y'all, this is my stuff in my house. Yeah, he chilling. He chilling. So yeah, y'all, this is where we at today, and I'm gonna show y'all a haul once we get to my house. Y'all, we ended up at Target. We couldn't find any pie crust anywhere, but we found it at Target. Target. Go to Target. Go to Target. We at Target, so I have to be a bougie mom. All right, y'all, let's rock and roll. All right, y'all, we are back. We are putting up the stuff. It is so much stuff. Avi just want to go outside and play. Yeah. Say hey, Rob.
What's good, man? Y'all already what's up? You know what I'm saying? See, we got the groceries in here. You know what I'm saying? Put the groceries up right now. No count.